If you want to change your age on Pinterest and you don't know how to do that, you are in the right video, because in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. First, we go ahead and open the Pinterest app and wait for it to load up. Once it does, tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner right here, and then from here tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on settings. It will take you to settings. You'll find a lot of options. Tap on personal information right here, and right there you should find your birthday. Now all you need to do to change it is to go ahead and tap on it. Tap again on your birthday, and from this window you can change your birthday. I'm going to change the year, and then tap on OK, and then tap on update, and just like that you have changed your age in Pinterest. Let's do that once again. So I tap on your birthday, tap again on it, and then do the changements that you want, and then tap on OK and update. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.